So in this video I'm going to show you Bluehost WordPress tutorial beginner's guide. It's a step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress on Bluehost. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing, and if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So guys, let's begin. So guys, the link is in the description. I have 70% off. It's down in the description. So Bluehost, all I do is click on start saving. Okay, I would always select the recommended, select this thing, create a new domain. So I already have a domain. Just for you guys, I'm just going to do something like this. Click on next. Now once you need to fill in all your information. If you're feeling lazy, just sign in with Google. They will fill all your information. I would select 12 months. I would select this and this, guys. And once this is done, I would put in my card details and submit. Once I submit this thing, so I would get an email confirmation about my account details. Then all I have to do is click on login. Once I'm over here, I put in my username and password. I'll wait for it. All right, world, time to take you. Okay, so once I put that, okay, I'll just click on my sites. I'll create a new site. Okay, so go back again. I'm just going to explain you. I'm going really fast. So click on my sites, create site. I'm going to put my site name. I'm going to put my tagline. I choose your domain from here. I'm just going to write test 3. You don't have to install any of these things. And next. So with Bluehost, it only takes 3 seconds to install WordPress. 1, 2, and here you go, 3. So as you could see, I've created my WordPress website. Click on login to WordPress. Loading WordPress. Hold on to your keyboard. You'll be there in no time. So this guy's on a rocket. Wow. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Woo! You have created your WordPress website. All I have to do is create a new post. Before I create a new post, the most important thing is click on settings, permalinks, post name. This is for SEO purposes, and it is really important because now your keyword would show in the post. Would say keyword, and write your description. Okay, really bad in spellings, and just publish. Once you do that, once this is published, click on view post. Congratulations, guys, you have created your first post. Woohoo! Now this website looks really weird, so we are going to install a new theme. And for me, I'm going to install a free theme. So click on appearance, themes, click on add new. So currently the best theme right now in the market is Astra. Okay, it's a free theme. There's a pro version with more features. So I'm just talking with these guys to give me a discount for that as well. So once you go and visit site, so you need to click on activate, right? So I had deactivated it, and then so it's like if I activate this and then refresh, my website will change completely. Okay, now it's plain white, but if I just click activate, click over here, refresh, my website looks a little different. Now once this is done, I'm just gonna click on Astra options. So why it is one of the best themes? Because they give you free templates, so you can just install. You could make your website much more better looking. So once you click on activate, so click on appearance, Astra options, and activate, and let's click on Elementor. The reason we are selecting Elementor because it's a free page builder. It's a free, okay, it's a free thing right now. So just click over here. Once you do that, and then I'm just going to install a free website. So I'm just going to click blog, and I'm just going to click this one, and just so the agency ones are the paid ones. So I'm just going to select this, and so this doesn't have agency, so it's free. So click over here, import site. Depending on your internet speed, it will take 2 to 10 minutes. If you could see over here, if you could read. So for me in the beginning, I didn't read at all, and I'm like, yeah, why is it taking so much time? But then I realized it takes 2 to 10 minutes. So I'll just pause the video. I'll come back again, guys, and see you there. So I'll just pause right now. So guys, I'm almost done. So it took me 53 seconds. Just visit site and see, this is my website. Looks really good. So now to edit your website is really easy. All you have to do is click on edit with Elementor, and it's a free page builder, and then you could start editing it. So let's say I want to delete this website. You can click save. I can click over here on the dots. I want to remove this girl. You can put another color if you want. Okay, you can go back over here, background. I can add an overlay, or what I could do is border over, not overlay, go on background again. Just gonna create a gradient, make it a little blue, make it a little red. Really bad with colors, but that's all right, guys. We all are really bad in the beginning. And then you could just okay, location radio. So it looks weird, but then I'm just gonna go with the basic color. You could put a video as well, so you could take any video. So you could just go on YouTube. Let's take Yavar Khan. So I'm over here, just copy this thing and just paste it over here. That's it, guys. Very simple. So you could see the video started to play. So play on mobile as well. So update, I could see on how it looks on mobile. So this is how it looks on mobile, and save changes. So that's it, guys. To view your website, just click on view page, click on this thing and view page. So this is how your website look, guys. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. And before I forget, I have a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions on how you could, the best plugins to use, the best themes. The link is down below. Thank you.